I have an idea where this is related to farming or the agriculture, and it could be the. I mean, I'm just looking at the ground level how the things goes on, right? Right. We have small scale farmers who are like which have less than 1 hectare of area, right? They find difficulty in getting the equipments or they cannot procure the things, right? I mean, they cannot do the things with having the tractors or take different equipments. Even there is a government subsidies, but still it would be difficult for them to put such amount of money, right? So I'm thinking as a service where we could have start some specific zones where we could have the equipments and help the farmers as like we give this as a service to them and get that as the revenue for the company. So this is what I was thinking. It could be not just the equipments, it could be the uh, like procuring them the seeds, it could be the idea of fertilizing or like we going to their farms and putting the fertilizers, so such kind of services which we could provide to the farmers. So yeah, because not, if you see there are so many farmers but not every farmer has 100 acres or 50 acres or 10 acres. There are so many farmers who have less than a hectare. Like I see this is a huge customer base which if I were talking that terms,
So
which could
let me
definitely
tell you
help
one
them.
thing. Let
Yeah.
me tell you something before we move ahead.
Yeah.
I thought about this idea 15 years ago, and I'm glad that you reminded me of this. I'm with you on this. You complete your part, and then I'll tell you what could be done.
Yeah, so this is what I have an idea. It's not just only about that, like maybe the next things is even after they're marketing about their products, or we encouraging them to do the organic farming, right? So there are so many things that we could expand the ideas by starting this simple thing. So I see a very bright future in this where even we have a benefit of both customers and the organization that we would build. So this is what I have
I'll tell you, I'll share my idea with you,
yeah.
which is just the extension of what you have thought. So, equipment as a service was there, but what I have thought is to have an urban city concept. Okay, so rural and urban combination, right? And having farm area with school, with an office area, having high speed internet capabilities, with road infrastructure with the highway, so that city people, say from Hyderabad, can move to the rural area, right? And they can do the farming in collaboration with the local farmer. And
Okay.
what they will bring in, they will bring in the innovation. Educated people will collaborate and become partners with the farmers. They will also invest, right? So they will invest in the equipment, farmers will provide their land, and they will have a partnership, right? And together we have to create an export promotion zone wherein the entire produce is exported. And this is not for the wheat and rice. This is for the cash crops. That means it will be growing crops which give you more money, say papaya, okay, or anything, say cherries or any berries which you can export abroad, right?
Yeah.
And this will give enormous phenomenal amount of income. Thus it will solve the problems of the farmers about water. They don't have water, they don't have equipment, they don't have the know-how how they can sell abroad, right? And lot of people in the city, they want to move out from the city area to the rural area. But why don't they move out? Because they don't get three things very important: school, hospital, and the office. If you bring, suppose I bring in TCS into the rural area of Andhra Pradesh, then automatically people who are working, having job in TCS, they will ask to shift to that rural place in case they get extra business opportunity also, no? And why will TCS come to that place? If we promise them that you will get a good talent, that you will get a subsidy from the government has to promote it, right? So
Yeah.
this was the idea, but then I got busy into other things and this got into the box. I'm glad that you talked about it. You can think on those lines, but I'll tell you, there has to be a starting from somewhere. This is also a real estate project, big real estate project. I wanted to develop it as a destination for tourism also, so that there are resorts, people can come over there and they can also participate in farming, especially the foreigners, right? So foreigners, there should be some multi-cuisine restaurants having Chinese food, French food, from all different continental food, so that people can come over there and relax for some time and they can enjoy farming as an enjoyment. This is what I thought about it, right? Because in Hindi there is one old saying, Uttam Keti Madhyam Ban Adham Chakri Bhik Nidam. That means farming is the best. Then comes business, and then comes the service. And begging is something you should die instead of begging, right? So I have already, I have always been dreaming about farming. It's the best thing. I did farming in past, unfortunately failed, because farming is not that easy. But if you get into this, if you are attached to the rural area, if you know the influential people in that particular zone, go for it. But you have to start from somewhere. So I'll tell you, start from small setup, get some equipment, and get the money invested from the influential person of that rural area. Okay, maybe the zamindar or someone. Tell them that I will take care of your equipment. I will give you a fixed return. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This will actually build their confidence. And then some people, urban, people living in city, they can also buy equipments and put it on lease, right? You give them some profit sharing, say 70-30 sharing. 70 is theirs, 30% you keep for the management. And this could also become a very good option. Farmers can pay say 500 rupees for plowing of their land.
Yeah.
Right? So you can also have fencing as a service. You can take the investment from urban people and fence the farms and charge them a rental. Right?
True.
So because farmers don't have this money, sometimes animals destroy their farm produce.
True.
Right? Sometimes, and you can get this insured. So a lot of things could be done. You can have an export promotion zone. You can directly supply to a lot of companies who are grocery suppliers, right? I know a company. I can probably try to connect you with them. They supply a lot of groceries. To be honest, they buy a grocery worth of 1 crore rupees in a month. So it's a good start for you, right? So, and that guy is known to me since last 15-16 years.
Okay.
So he can probably, support you there because anyway he's buying, right? So
yeah.
This could be, and I'll connect you to one of my known person, Srinath Shetty. He is making good money, very good money. He's an IITian. His company's name is Hosachi Guru. He's doing it on Bangalore-Hyderabad border, and he's doing it very, very nicely. And he's growing papaya, he's growing banana, lot of things he's doing, and he has implemented technology very nicely. So you go to Google, find out, Hosachi Guru, and I'm sure you will like that. In fact, there are two people I know. One is Patidar Farms and another is Agrawal Farms. Both of them fly in helicopter only. They don't travel by car. They are so rich, and both of them are in Maharashtra, Jalgaon.
Okay.
Right? So farming, if done very nicely, can create hell lot of wealth. So very good idea. Go for it. Do not even think twice. But obviously, you have to execute. Once you start, a lot of challenges will come. I'm sure you will overcome those challenges. But this is the best kind of work. Nothing could be better than farming.
Yeah. Thanks, Shishir. I think that's a great input, and definitely I will try to reach out to that person who wants to share the information. So I will keep you updated progress that is being done, and definitely will take your help or maybe reach out to you separately to get further more clarity on how to evaluate what is that things are going on with me.
All right. Thank you so much. And that takes us to the end of this session. We are already at 2:00. Thank you so much for joining in, and please join the next week also. See you again. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all.